Thokozani sanibonani Dumelang kaofela luna. I'm greeting you all in the name of God, in the name of the Creator. I'm going to talk about inkolo nomuthi, because there is these debates and boring things. At the end of the day, do what works for you. Inkolo nomuthi kuyasebenza kuhamba ndawonye. Right. Look at this place. I bought this place from umuntu webalela imhlophe. Okufungwa nje kugonyelwe ukuthi ayithina amakhambi esintu sakithi. Witchcraft or devilish. Right, look at this. This is what we call umatitibala. Mayetshaliwe ekhaya. It wards off evil spirits. This is ngithole nje ibona manje ishaya abanye abantwana eceleni. It wards off evil spirits. It protects the house. Ngithi thina abelaphi njalo masiqeda kusebenza abantu, we need to do the cleansing, the skodlo cleansing, the home cleansing and the church cleansing. Manje in this case it becomes better because makubetha umoya kanje sisebenza ngomoya, sisebenza ngomlilo, sisebenza ngelanga, sisebenza ngomkhathi. Shadabula. Then this also helps because it's earth. It's earth. This is from the mother nature. Right. Matitibala sengimtshelile ngayo. Imbiza le mawune STD uvela uphuma ama discharge, especially when you are a woman and then you having discharge engapheli nomyeni wakho akasakuzwa kahle lapha. Nanku intelezi le. Intelezi lena yilabatheka le. Alibona ilabatheka. It also helps liyangena embizeni, liyangena nase kuqosheni imimoya emibi. Niyamkhumbula uManto Shabalala Msimanga ekhuluma ngeAfrican potato. This is an African potato. This is for protection and lots of things. Like lenza a lot of things. Now, can you see it's different types? Lena mawungumthandazi yabulala izithi, yabulala iyaphilisa, because you can see the difference between the two. Le ingena ku protection only because look at the difference between the two. Okay, lezi lena nazo futhi asifani. Le yasentabeni, le eyase esigangeni nje. Nansi ezinye, yabona? Bese kuza le lena iyabulala iyaphilisa. Ngicela ukuyigodla le information. Akekho phela owathi abantu kumele kudlalwe ngabo nje kuphele kanjalo. Hawa guys, angeke. Thina sishaya ngomthandazo, sithandazele lento ishintsha impela, noma ngabe sekuthiwa uphethe umuthi ongakanani. Lana ikuncedisa kuphela. Thina sisebenza ngomoya. Mina ngisebenza ngomoya, ngisebenza ngomlilo. Hey, nakho sekuyavuka lokho. Let me remove this parasites. Okay, even this parasite iyangena kuma cancer herbs. Right. Bese kusiza le. Lena bayibiza ngokuthi isipili. Isipili. I think lika sisuthu barithi isipili. Uyabona? NgesiZulu bathi ingcotho. Ingcotho. Yenzani iyacasisa amaphupho, but medically thina senza ama medical studies, it's a hallucinogenic product. Hallucinogenic means izokuphuphisa kabi, ube nama nightmares, you're going to get hallucinations. Bese kuthiwa hey hamba othwasa ugogo wakho ufikile kwasha kwacima, sikhathele amanga. Lento iyasebenza ku protection, iyasebenza ku protection, iyasebenza ekuvuleni amaphupho. Ungayifaki kakhulu because it's hallucinogenic and toxic. Izokubulalela isibindi nama kidneys, izinso namaphapho. Ugule kanti uzama ukuzilapha. Iyo ke le guys that we used to be lied to. Hey, ngeke ngatshelwa amanga madoda kwathiwa isipili, ngiphuze lento ngizobona izimanga kanti ikwenza ama-dizzy spells. Yenzelana ama-dizzy spells. The only good thing about this herb, yelapha nje izifo eziningi, but do not overuse it. Iyagulisana, iyabolisa nje isibindi, amaphapho, neblood, isikhwama sokuchama. Be careful with it, use it cautiously. Nansi-ke ngiyithole la, yatshalwa ubani? Yatshalwa ngabelungu. So uyibona ngani ukuthi sindala? Uyabona lezi zinto lezi, uyabona ukhala amacembe lanka, and then you start using it. It's a very good herb, but please do not abuse it. Avuthe